Stop scrolling. Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant in an English-speaking country. The waiter comes to your table. He asks you a simple question. But you don't understand. You feel nervous. You don't know what to say. This happens to millions of English learners. Today you will learn real English sentences used in restaurants. Slow. Clear. Real English. By the end of this video, you will be able to order food in English confidently. Take a deep breath. Relax. And let's start learning real English.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
Hello. Table for one, please.
Of course. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
This table is perfect. Can I see the menu, please?
I will bring the menu for you.
Thank you.
Here is the menu.
Yes, I would like some water, please.
Would you like something to drink? Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am ready to order.
What would you like to eat?
I would like a chicken sandwich.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please, I would like fries with that.
Anything else?
And a small salad, please.
How would you like your chicken?
Grilled chicken, please.
Do you want any sauce?
Yes, ketchup, please.
Your food will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Here is your food.
This looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is great.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, I would like dessert.
Chocolate or vanilla ice cream?
I would like chocolate ice cream, please. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I will bring the bill.
Thank you very much.
Here is your bill.
Keep the change.
Take your time.
Have a nice day.
Thank you for visiting our restaurant.
Goodbye.
Have a great day.
Great job. Now you know real English used at the restaurant. Practice these sentences again. Listen. Repeat. Speak with confidence. In the next video you will learn English at the coffee shop. See you in the next lesson.